In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Dkim record for Postmark. Before we start, here's the goal. We're going to add a Dkim txt record to your domain's DNS so Postmark can cryptographically sign your outgoing emails. That signature helps inbox providers trust that your messages really come from your domain, which improves deliverability and reduces spam flags. Begin by logging into your Postmark account and opening your dashboard. Navigate to your sending identity. This might be under sender signatures or domains if you've already verified a domain. Inside your domain view, look for DNS settings or an option to add a Dkim DNS record. Postmark will display two key pieces of information: the host name, which is the record name you'll add, and the value, which is the long Dkim public key. Keep this page open. You'll copy both exactly as shown. Now, head over to the place where your domain's DNS is managed. That could be a provider like Cloudflare, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or wherever your name servers point. Open the DNS management area where you can add new records. Create a new TXT record. For the type, choose TXT. For the name or host field, paste the Dkim hostname provided by Postmark, such as pm.domainkey.yourdomain.com. Some DNS providers automatically append your domain, so you may only need to enter pm.domainkey. If your provider shows a preview of the full name, confirm it matches what Postmark expects. For the value, paste the entire Dkim public key string from Postmark exactly as it appears. Don't add or remove quotes, and avoid extra spaces or line breaks. If your DNS host splits the value into multiple strings automatically, that's fine. Just make sure the content hasn't changed. You can leave TTL at its default or set it to around 1 hour. Save the record. Give DNS a little time to update. Changes often propagate within minutes, but they can take up to 48 hours globally depending on caching. If you're curious, you can use a DNS lookup tool to confirm the TXT record is visible on the internet. Return to Postmark and click Verify next to the Dkim record if you see that option. As soon as Postmark detects the record, it will show as verified. From that point on, Postmark will sign your emails with Dkim for your domain. That's all there is to it. With Dkim in place and verified, your messages are more likely to land in the inbox, maintain trust with receiving servers, and avoid unnecessary spam filtering.